Remove skin, cut in rounds, season and bake for a satisfying, crunchy, and nutritious fun food in less than 30 minutes for only 88 calories. After washing the skin, cut the ends and slice through the plantain skin on opposite sides. Turn and slice on opposite sides again for a total of 4 cuts. Carefully peel the skin away from the flesh. With a green underripe plantain, the skin might peel off in full sections or require some extra time to remove all the skin in pieces. Cut the plantain crosswise in quarter rounds. You'll have about 60 rounds per plantain. Transfer your cut rounds into a mixing bowl and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon salt. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon oil, mix together well. Top a 9 by 13 inch wire rack with parchment paper. Evenly spread your seasoned rounds over the parchment paper so they don't overlap. Repeat with your second plantain. Peel away the skin, cut in 2 rounds, transfer to your mixing bowl. In a small mixing bowl, combine your oil with 1½ teaspoons of ketchup popcorn seasoning and 1½ teaspoons of salt and vinegar popcorn seasoning and stir together. Pour your salt, vinegar, and ketchup seasoned oil over your plantain rounds and mix well. Evenly spread your prepared plantain rounds on a second parchment-covered wire rack. Bake in your preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven in the center of the oven. Check your plantain chips after 15 minutes. When the edges begin to brown, it's time to take them out of the oven. These salt, vinegar, and ketchup seasoned plantain chips are ready. The salt and oil chips need about 5 more minutes. When we tested our first batch, we left them in the oven too long unattended, and this was the result: burnt. Once your plantain chips are baked, let them cool off completely on their racks in the open air, uncovered, so they will become more crispy. One 15-chip serving is only 88 calories, but you could have 45 chips for 264 calories, less than 300 calories. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.